Hello there. Today I'll talk about in URL search and welcome to Advanced Google 2 Part 2. In-URL finds pages with a certain word in the URL. All in-URL similar to in-URL. This finds web pages containing all of the URL specific words in text find pages containing a specific word in the content. Now have a look. Let's search in URL. Now I wanna go in URL slash admin. Many pages there. Click on admin login. Have a look. Now in URL admin login page. Have a look. You can find this. If I submit, it's blank. Now some devices and appliances default setting accessible via browser application defaults internet printing internet cameras server defaults directories entitled index of admin directories find specific files like logs password files by file extension web servers directory traversal extension working. The in-URL search query is one of Google's search operators intended to allow users to find down the results. It can be used quite simply by entering. The in-URL search operator lets you search for the word directly after the clone in any URL on the internet. If you include in-URL in your query, Google will restrict the results to documents containing that word in the URL. For instance, want to see only pages that have your keyword in their title, use the entitle search operator just before the keyword. You can use symbols or words in your search to make your search results for precious. Google search usually ignores it. The URL operator searches for specific text in the indexed URLs. You can pair a site with in URL and you can find database by a website exploit database. So if I search Google hacking database is an index of search queries exploit database. It actually exploit database Here is the Dropbox, web server detection, files containing usernames, files containing password, files containing use information, error messages, vulnerable servers, network or vulnerability data, various online devices, all the thing you find here. The website is exploit.db.com. Hint title: Index of Dropbox. Google hacking, also named Google dorking, is a hacker technique that uses Google search and other Google applications to find security holes. It's actually a categorized index of internet search engine queries designed to uncover interesting things. Now if I search this, here you can download the exploit database archive mode. Is there some remote option, web application option, local and privilege? Here is the remote code. So many more remote code is here. Here is the code and Federal Security Manager client session in web application exploits. Here is the code and path. Here's some article for privilege. You can check everything, you can find everything here about database hacking. Now go to another website. Okay, now Google utility belt loaded. Go link scanner, Google hack, honeypot, search, dig day, go scan, meta go fill, site digger. View of the utility belt with fasteners in a circular condition. The attachable push is shown in Phantom comparison. Google Arts and Culture features content from over 2000 leading archives who have partnered with Google Cultural Institute.